第12页，文意选填。衣服脏了吗？洗衣服务了解一下。
Stain on your shirt? Get a laundry service. If you hate doing the laundry, you may want to consider hiring a service to do it all for you. Laundry services are businesses that wash, dry, iron, and fold clothes and other textiles. This kind of service is particularly useful for people without their own washing machine or those who have special needs, like dry cleaning for delicate fabrics. Businesses such as restaurants and large salons also make use of laundry services since they are a much more convenient option than keeping laundry facilities on site. The history of laundry services dates back to ancient times. Back then, people relied on natural resources such as rivers, lakes, or streams to wash their clothes. Methods like beating, scrubbing, boiling, or bleaching were used to remove dirt and stains. People known as washerwomen offered some of the earliest laundry services. Unfortunately, washerwomen were generally paid poorly and faced harsh working conditions and health risks. The Industrial Revolution in the 19th century brought about many changes in the laundry industry. Large-scale laundry factories equipped with steam engines and water pumps emerged. These could process vast amounts of laundry in a relatively short time. Machines such as washers, wringers, and dryers were introduced to automate the laundry process. However, these facilities also had a negative impact on both the environment and the health of workers, since they consumed a great deal of water and energy while also creating pollution and noise. The laundry industry was revolutionized in the 20th century with the invention of electric washing machines and dryers. These machines allow people to do their own laundry at home or in self-service laundromats, reducing the demand for laundry services. Nevertheless, these services still exist, and using them has never been easier. There are now even online platforms that connect customers with local laundry service providers, making the service more accessible than ever before.